Hi, here I have the Skoda Octavia 2019. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the CR2025 battery. Release the emergency key. Okay, battery is in there. Okay, you need to open this battery cover here. Use the blade. Yep, you just twist it like that. Twist it here again. See, it's open. Use a small screwdriver to pry up the CR2025 battery. Yeah, here's a battery, CR2025 battery. Okay, replace it like that. Go in like that. Press it down. Put the cover on. Press it down. Yep, it's all done. This is Skoda Octavia 2019. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.